Good evening, YouTube family. Welcome back to the Lotto Chord Breaker. Okay, let's do the lunchtime draw for tomorrow with a lot of observations and a lot of changes that are happening. Okay, I'm gonna start with the date tomorrow. The date tomorrow is the 14th. Okay, it's the 14th, and the numbers that plays on tomorrow's date: 45, 48, and 49. These are the first three numbers that you should start with on tomorrow's date. Okay, then from the observation that I have noticed, that I've realized, is 11 equals to 1, 22 equals to 2, 33 equals to 3, 44 equals to 4. Okay, so by so doing, we can confidently come and say this one is a 2, the 2 cam. This one should bring us a 3. To do this one should bring us a 4, right? If you see here, we've got 1 and 11. 1 and 11. The 4 is alone. See if we can see somewhere this scenario is actually showing nicely. So here we've got 22 giving us a 2, 3 giving us 33, 11 should bring us 1, 44 should give us a 4. So I can confidently say this pair could be the right time to chase it, right? Because even on the date and time, 13 being 1 p.m. when it comes to time, 1 was supposed to have played, so we can confidently play 1. Okay, so you'll be pairing the 1 and 4 with the first numbers that I gave you: 45, 48, 49. Right, this is the first pairs: 45, 48, 49. 4, 4, 4. Just like that. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, I've noticed the number repeats that we have. Okay, the first one that I saw is 25 and 25. 25 divided by 2 equals to 12.5. There is 12 there. We could have played 13. The 13 is sitting there. So that gives us 12, right? Or if you add 1, you could have played 14. Okay, then the next one, 43, 43 divided by 2 equals to 2, 1.5. Then the 22 is sitting here. So we can confidently play 21 and 23. These are the numbers that we can get from the number repeat. Okay? So from the number repeat, you're getting 21, 21, 21, 21, right? You're pairing it with 4, 1, 45, 48, 21, and 49. Those are the pairs from the beginning. This is how you pair. So I'm actually teaching you guys how to do pairing as well. Okay? Then you take 23, 23, okay. So now you're going with 23 with 1, 4, 45, 48, 49. What's the next one? You never know. They might come as two numbers. Okay? So I'm giving you pairs as well. And I'm teaching you guys how to do pairing so that whenever there's going to be somebody who's going to give you nice numbers on the comments, if you check in the comment section, there's a lot of people that are sharing numbers. So if somebody is going to give you good numbers, this is how you mix the numbers. If you take numbers from somebody else, you take numbers from me, you take numbers from somebody else, this is how you're going to be mixing your numbers. Okay? We've got a chord that is also trending. So I'm going to play to do the chord as well. Okay. The first two numbers, they don't want to stop. 9 plus 7, 16. First two numbers, 10 plus 5, 15. First two numbers, 9 plus 3 equals to 12. First two numbers, 15 plus or minus 11, 26. Say 26, right? And 27 and 25. You never know what they might do. They might repeat or they might subtract or add, right? If we are to subtract, this will give us a 4. 15 minus 11, it will give us a 4. The 4 that we have from the first strategy that we did. So you are covered on that. Okay? Done with that. Let's go to the next one. Starting from 46. There is 46 and a 7. Right? 46 plus 7 equals to 53. 53 is 35. The big numbers and the small number, they always surprise you. 7 and 45. 45 plus 7 equals to 52. We have 25. if we are to say 48 plus 5, it will give us 53 sitting here in the same line, right? So therefore they said 43 minus, and we have it in the same line as well. Then they repeated it here as 43. Okay, now 37 plus 3 equals to 40. 46 and 11. 46 minus 11, I'll also do a plus. 46 minus 11 is 35. That's a very good number. Okay, so if we say plus, it will give us 57. So it would not make sense when it comes to the lotto numbers. Okay, all right, so I give you 35 on that. Okay, we've got another sequence as well. I'm going to start it from the bonus 16 so that I will not be long on that. We have got 7 and 16. 16 minus 7, they are skipping, gives you a 9. It gives you a 9. 7, 22. 22 plus or minus 7 give you 22 here. Here it will give you 15. Okay, two numbers. So even if you go back and you say 16 minus 7, right? It's a 9 sitting here, plus 1, you get a 10 on this draw, right? You add 1, you get a 10. And if you go up, it will still give you a number again. So it's giving you for the next 2 draws. It will give you a number on the next 2 draws, right? Let's see what I'm explaining, if it makes sense. Here we've got 7 and 22. 22 plus or minus 7. 29 on top and 15 under. We've got bonus 15, 28, 29. And we've got single number 15. Okay. All right. Let's try and see if this one is going to give us something as well. Okay. We've got 29 plus or minus 5, which will give us 34 and 24, right? 34 spinned, it's 43, and we have got 24 sitting there. Okay, all right. So on that one, it didn't skip. 3 and 33. 33 minus 3 equals to 30. 30 sitting there. Then on this one that we are going on, we've got 14 plus or minus 11, which will give us banker 25 and banker 3. So that one we are good to go because it's a good one. It's a good one as well. So on the pairing, do not forget to also add 25, 3, and 35. You'll be pairing them again with the numbers that I gave you. You'll be pairing them again with the numbers that I gave you. So, yes. Don't forget to add them as well. Okay. Then on the bonus, bonus plus 7, bonus plus 7, bonus minus 7, right? It is giving out a number. Okay, for example, 33 plus 7 equals to banker 40, right? (22 plus 7 equals to 29). 16 minus 7 equals to 9. 17 minus 7 equals to 9. Equals to 10, sorry, equals to 10. So you can see for yourself that bonus plus or minus 7, it's giving us a banker. So we've got 21 here. I'm going in with 21 on this one. Yeah, since 7 had been playing. So I'm going in with 14 plus 7 equals to 21. Okay, just a quick one to show you what the bonus has been doing as a chord. Bonus multiplied by 7 equals to 119. Okay, 119. Breaking the chord, we've got a single number 9. We've got a single number 19. Clear numbers that are there. If you spin 19 to 16, right? Then if you take this number 11 as a 2, like what we said, subtract 9, it will give you a 7. Okay, that's another way of breaking a chord. Okay, so we've got 16 by 7, 1, 1, 2. We said when the number is a double like that, what do? You take it, you add the two numbers, right? 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and then there's a 2 here. We have got a bonus 22, right? So if you look as well, there is a number that is always coming on the next draw from the same numbers, right? On this one, remember we had 119. We've got 19 sitting there. There is a number that is always coming on the other draw. Okay, 22 multiplied by 7 equals to 154. Look at this carefully. 154. So on 154, we have got 15 and 14. 15 plus 14 equals to 29. Okay. 15 minus 4 equals to 11. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Okay. Those are some of the numbers that we get. Okay. 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Okay. You'll be pushing and breaking the chord seriously on this one. Okay. All right. Let's look at this one. Which number comes from this chord? We've got 15 and 11 still continues. Okay. 29 multiplied by 7 equals to 203. Okay. 203. 203 chord is 20 plus 23. It only gives us one number, which is 43. Okay. Nevertheless, look at the next draw. We've got a clear 2 and we have got 30. Two numbers came from the same chord that was on lunch. 33 multiplied by 7 equals to, let me just calculate it again. 33 multiplied by 7 equals to 231. Okay, 231. We've got 2 here and we've got a 12. Okay, those are the numbers that we have. From what is left, I am going in with banker 23. Very clear. I'm going in with banker 23 and banker 31. Right? Banker 31 and banker 21. So those are the three numbers that I'm getting from the chord that will jump to tomorrow's draw. Okay. All right. This is what I have for you guys. Good night. Okay, I forgot something as well. Just a quick one. 14 multiplied by 7 equals to 98. Banker 9, banker 8, right? 9 plus 8 equals to 17. Okay, those are the guidelines that I'm giving you today for the next draw. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Good luck.